Hello everyone, welcome today. We have a new edition with puzzles and Sudokus. Today in the daily newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, June the 16th, 2021. Here we have three regular Sudokus. First one is a binary. Second one, a medium Sudoku. And the third one, a killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku Mix. In this newspaper, there's also an additional with extra Sudokus. 7 extra Sudokus, I believe. But first, we will solve these 3 regular Sudokus. First one is a binary puzzle. And this will be a number 2953. 2953. All right. Okay. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there. There no. Excuse me, yes. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Then double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Then double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. Wow. Okay, I cannot place the 1 here, otherwise we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this cannot be a 1, this should be an O. If I place the 5th one here, I still have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this should be an O. Double O, here one, there one. Okay. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, yes, there's always an O and a 1, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and the 5th one. So those 2 boxes there should be an O. Alright, double O, here one, there one. We have here 4 ones in this column. So the 5th one cannot be here, otherwise we have 3 O's in a row in this column. So this should be an O. And yeah. Between 2 ones comes an O. Okay. Alright. Let me see. One, yeah. We have here 4 O's. So if I place number 5 here, then we have 4 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this cannot be an O, this should be a 1. I think the O should be here in between, otherwise if I place the 5th O here, I still have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this cannot be no, this should be a 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. This and 1 box left in this row for the number, for the digit 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Then double 1 here, no, there, no. Yeah. Let me see. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I place number 5, the 5th O here, then we have 4 ones in a row. Not in a row in this column. Not allowed. One of the rules, so this should be a 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1, there, 1. And I know between a 1 and an O, there's always an O and a 1. With 2 empty boxes here. With 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1. But I do not know in which order. So this box should be a 1. Yes. Double 1 here, no, there, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So those 2 should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are 1s. Double O here, 1, there, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O. So the rest are 1s. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s. So this must be the number 5. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Finish in 8 minutes. All right. Yes, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file. Below here, there's a link for the PDF file, so you can download it, print it out, and you can make it by yourself or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the second regular Sudoku, a medium Sudoku I will solve in a minute. See you then. Bye bye for now.